like a pickaxe. What's going on, guys? Tony Hannity's here with Lazy Tech TV, and today we're going to take a look at a microphone called the Skyline mic. This is by a company called Neat, which is a subsidiary of Turtle Beach, who you probably are more familiar with regarding gaming types of things of like headsets and mice and controllers and whatnot. The Skyline is a versatile USB desktop condenser mic which offers high quality 24-bit or 96 kilohertz of digital audio in this kind of sleek design. It just sticks up like this, and it's literal plug and play. This works for someone who's on the go or doesn't have like a huge setup as we do here at the studio. And I gotta tell you, sound quality on this, for what it is, it's really nice. So this is a raw audio example of the Neat Skyline microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. And that is my fiance, and there she goes. Bye-bye! It also has an integrated mute button which turns off and on. So it's not like the Go XLR, for example, where you have to hold down the mute button. This will turn red when it's muted, and you press it again and it turns green to unmute. So once again, for someone who wants a simple setup that wants very good audio quality, if you're in a Teams meeting or a Zoom meeting and you don't want to use the integrated microphone on your laptop or what have you, this is a pretty good solution. Except, although they're touting this to be something for work from home or remote working, or if you're out and about, this doesn't collapse. Like, there's no way to make the microphone end of it go down. You can't fold it, so you're sticking this in your bag like this, and that's it. And I gotta tell you, although this base is metal, the rest of this is plastic, so I can definitely see that breaking. And they call it a conferencing microphone. They have the grill going all the way around. However, the mic is really just in the front here by the logo. So if you're having this in front of you about 6 inches, as you should, it can hear you fine. And like I said, the sound quality is great, as you can hear here. Mute button. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. However, when it comes to being in an actual conference room scenario, people on the other end will hear you fine, but anybody to your left or right, in front of you, they're gonna sound like they're in a well or on the other side of the room. So it's not necessarily a conferencing mic, more as that it's just a personal condenser mic for your desktop. And the other thing is, this is purely a USB and desktop driven microphone. There's no way to mount this on a mic stand. So if you wanted something like an arm or what have you, this would not fit into that solution. And for $70, that's quite surprising. I would argue with the Razer Siren Mini, those are only $50, and it pretty much covers everything that this offers at a lower price point. It's got a super cardioid pattern, and it's meant for a one-to-one interaction, but it does let you connect it onto a mic arm or a mic stand. And although it doesn't have the handy dandy mute button right here, it does still have a mute option. And there's no way to monitor your speaking through this microphone. You have to do it through your computer. Whereas, once again, some of the other alternatives that are out there allow you to monitor your own mic. So if you like to hear yourself talk, this would not be the solution. There are others out there. So who is this for? Well, I feel like there are some demographics out there that look at a Razer Siren and say, I am not a podcaster. I am not a streamer. That's what that microphone screams. Whereas this says business person, or just says at-home individual that just needs to get on a Teams or a Zoom call and be able to be heard very crisply and clearly. And this does allow that. Blah, blah. So if you're looking for a solution for that business professional in your life, this is not a bad solution. Although, in my opinion, there are better solutions out there, and I'll put a few in the description down below. But so to the folks over at Neat and Turtle Beach, I hope you appreciate my honesty. This is a really beautiful device. Just not really for me. So, but if any of you have any questions or comments regarding the Neat Skyline, let me know in the comment section down below. Links, as always, can be found in the description below. And not only are we doing these videos here on YouTube, but we also stream here on YouTube on Tuesdays and Thursdays if my schedule allows. So if you want to find out about my streaming schedule, make sure you join the Discord, which is also linked in the description below. And you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So until the next time, have a great one. Later. Oh, TikTok too. Okay, bye.